All right, guys, finally got the S&B intake for the Escalade V project that we had on the channel a couple of videos ago. And Steve's getting the box open right now. This is a direct replacement for your Escalade Vs from S&B. It comes with a box, intake tube, and it's got a huge air filter in this thing.
It's a big dog.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest air filters I think I've ever seen, honestly. Yeah, look at that thing. Jeez Louise.
I think it's off a Peterbilt.
That is definitely like a over-the-road truck air filter. But everything's been holding up really well on this thing. We did the upper pulley, and that pulley is still just tight, even after being ran.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that thing is like, that thing don't move at all.
Perfect belt.
Yeah. The Escalade's been running good, but we've been waiting for this intake to show up. We do have a lot more mods that we are going to be doing to this. We have a ported blower from Jokers to swap out. We also have a cam DOD delete kit from Brian Tooley Racing, and then we are going to be doing some heads from Late Model Engines. We're going to send them out a set of heads, and they're going to do their CNC port work on there. Probably end up doing a DSX flex fuel, so that way we can run full flex fuel on this, and a DSX low side fuel system as well. So this time we're just going to put the intake on, get it going, and then see how it sounds. Maybe we'll hear a little bit more blower whine.
Let's see there. The wicked elbow.
Yeah.
Compared to stock.
What's the factory? Is the factory one bigger? It was about the same?
It's about the same. See, this part is a little more, but it's a tight fit.
It is a really tight fit.
It couldn't be much bigger.
Yeah. It's a really tight space that we're dealing with here. I mean, you got the throttle body, and then the intake comes right off here. Almost wonder if we can just get one of those like elbows and then put the throttle body right here. Yeah, it'd probably make it a little bit better. Yeah. But, oh well, it'll probably be better than the factory intake, I would say.
Yeah. Should flow nicely.
Oh yeah. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, we got a new engine from our friends at Gandrud Chevrolet out of Green Bay, Wisconsin, who we buy all of our crate motors through. We were at the PRI show last week, and we were chatting with those guys, and I asked them if they had a 632 crate motor or if they knew when they'll get any more in, and he said, you know what, Justin, I actually have one in stock. And I was like, well, you don't need more because I want it sold. So we have in this crate a brand new GM ZZ 632 crate engine. We're gonna unbox real quick and see what it looks like. I'm pretty excited. We're probably gonna find a nice OBS truck to put it in. Not this one. This is a customer truck we're getting ready to do a full ZR LT5 package on. This is going to be a pretty cool transformation on this thing, but had it painted. It's got some metallic in it. Kind of see it there. But
oh, here you go.
There it is. Ooh, baby. Steve's got us covered over here. I think Steve's more excited to open this thing up than I am.
All right. We'll grab the other side, Donnie.
Do us honors. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's big. Wrapped up. So this thing,
that was exciting,
will make 1,000 horsepower on 93 octane pump gas, which is crazy. Naturally aspirated.
Ready?
Yep. Yes, sir. That's it.
Dang.
That costs as much as a pretty decent car, boys.
That's wild.
That is pretty cool, though. It's got
I love
all
the coil
nice.
packs under the.
I mean, look at all the hardware on it. It's all ARP,
Yeah.
stainless hardware, even on the valve covers.
The coil mounts all in the valley. That's sweet.
Oh, yeah. It does have the coil to
LT
plug.
coils.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh, RSX.
It's got no oil in it. Let's pull this thing off.
With the big.
I think it's a 4500 Holley throttle body.
Things on there good.
Holy shit.
Jeez.
That's big dog. Robert Gork is who assembled this for us. Thank you, Robert. We're going to put it to good use.
Man.
They don't make them like that anymore, people.
Literally.
Jeez Louise. I like these. It comes with these plates. Steve, do you see these over the exhaust ports?
Yeah, the covers.
It's pretty cool. Say Chevrolet on them. It's a big one. Got all the Holley stuff here. Comes with tuning cable. That's a massive unit.
Man. Oh, wow.
What do you think,
That is
Cam?
a unit.
And put in an old square body out there.
Perfect.
Well, you'd be doing burnouts from here to back to Oklahoma.
Till you run out of gas.
Yeah.
It's plug and play.
Yeah.
Is this how it comes, or is this how you bought it? Like, is it not?
I think
is
they
it
all-
mobile?
That's how it comes.
Yeah.
Does it have the Holley like ECU in here?
There's some box over here. What's this?
Yeah. El Manuel.
Oh, okay. All right. Comes with a couple boxes.
Let's see.
Look at that, Tim.
Installation instructions.
Sheesh.
This goes all the way to the very top of a hood on an OBS truck.
Oh wow.
That's how big this engine is. We have been expanding the shop a little bit too, and we decided to buy our buddy Chris over here out of his powder coating. His health, he's got cerebral palsy, and he's just not able to powder coat like he used to. So we decided, well, we'll start powder coating here then. So we end up buying a storage container. Curtis's idea, pretty brilliant idea actually. So that way we don't have any of the stuff from powder coating get all over the cars and parts in the shop. Put it in a storage container. It's all self-contained. We had it wired, had it plumbed. It's got electrical in it. It's pretty cool, guys. We'll check it out right now. So here is the storage container here in the shop. And got these curtains, got lights in here. And we're getting ready to move all of the powder coating equipment in here right now. Obviously, we won't be able to do like full frames or anything, but we can do pretty much everything else that we do here at Killer Performance. And also, we can do some customer stuff too. We have a full-time powder coater that's going to be working in here. Got our big plug-in there. This is all going to be sectioned off. This is actually where we're going to be spraying at up here. Obviously, we close the door. We're putting a filtration system in there that goes outside. I believe the oven's going to be over here. Sandblasting is going to be back here. We're putting another curtain wall in here. But it's pretty cool. It's all plumbed. This was just a storage container. So pretty neat, guys. I'll definitely get video once we start getting stuff in here and getting product out. So pretty neat. Okay, in the Escalade V with our brand new S&B cold air intake on, we are gonna see how it sounds underneath the hood. Definitely hear a little bit more blower noise. You guys gotta remember though, I do have a smaller pulley on this thing, so the supercharger was a little bit louder anyways. Honestly, it sounds about like stock. Sounds like the stock intake I had on here. It doesn't really sound any different. Bah humbug. Yeah, I was hoping it would sound a little bit better, but sounds about like stock. So I have to like come up with our own intake contraption for these things to make the blower a little bit louder, because it would be cool to hear the supercharger a little bit more. But it does run good. It does run good though. I will say one thing though, it does feel like it has a little bit better throttle response. Like it just feels a little bit more zippy. Okay, we'll do a lower roll here. That freaking runs. It's a big old SUV, guys, for it to be moving like this.